Oh, this looks
2,
sick.
1.
Shit. There we go.
So we got another product. Looks like a piece of fish on the front, and it's 9 grams of protein, 100% wild caught, gluten-free, and I don't know what's it say there for sat fat. It's a little heavy, right?
I mean, it is fish, so there's definitely gonna be some fat on it with meat.
So you've heard of beef jerky, and this is fish jerky?
Salmon jerky.
Oh, salmon jerky.
Oh.
Oh,
Well,
it's
I
meat.
wouldn't have said anything about the saturated fat if I'd known it was salmon.
Now we're talking.
So it's maple glazed and smoked. This looks a lot more uniform than like regular, because beef jerky, like everything's a little different. You know, every piece is a little different. But these pieces are a little
like
more.
A long thin, but this is just a little square.
Yeah, I mean these are bites, so it makes sense.
Oh, man.
But I'm excited to try this.
Huh.
This is really good, in my opinion. It has that jerky, like, texture, has that jerky, just, like, feeling, but it's with fish. So it's pretty interesting.
If a person is an outdoor type person and they don't want to carry a lot of stuff, these are nice and light, and you can kind of nibble on them along the way and stuff.
I'm gonna have another one.
Is this a wedge food?
This is definitely a wedge food. I mean, you may have to get multiple, because there's not a whole lot in here. There's only like 15 pieces in here, but I highly recommend these. Like get a couple of them.
So wait, you liked those, which are fish, but you didn't like the biscuits that tasted like fish?
No,
Like
those taste like nothing. I didn't taste a single thing in those.
Does it fit in the wedge?
This would definitely fit in the wedge.
Show them in case they forget.
Alright, if you really want me to, I can put them in the wedge. If they can even see
See
it.
if it fits.
Alright, just open the wedge, dump it in there.
Wait, do it again. We didn't even get the right.
Alright, so here's the
What else
bag.
is in that wedge?
Here's the wedge.
Oreos?
Boom. Yeah. Yeah, it perfectly fits in the wedge, so you can, you know, it's really accessible when you sit down, maybe watch the Bucks play, you know, try to be #1 in the East. But yeah, overall, I will give these a 9 out of 10, because I'm a huge jerky guy. I love jerky, and with it being fish, it's definitely a really good twist on it, especially salmon, one of my favorite fish to eat. So yeah, I give this a 9 out of 10. I would buy this again.